Hey, what's up traders? Welcome back to Forex Gym. My name is George, and in this video I'm going to talk about Forex strategies. There are hundreds if not thousands of strategies on the internet. It can be confusing for new traders which strategy to choose or what to look for. More importantly, which strategy is best for making a lot of money. It can be confusing putting effort and not seeing the result you want. You maybe even bought the strategy and followed every single step in that strategy guide. However, it's not working out for you. In this video, I reveal what is the best strategy and how this will supercharge your trading game. If you're not ready for the raw truth, then click away. I will not sugarcoat it. This is what 95% trading gurus are not telling you. To understand my point, first let's discuss what you normally find when you search strategies on the internet. When searching for this strategy on the internet, you normally come across with these three types of systems. First, trading robots or trading bots. Second is high win rate strategy that never lose. And third one, easy step-by-step formula which you only need to invest 30 minutes every day, 5 times a week, and you will be making thousands of dollars. Does these three sounds familiar? Comment below if you know someone who bought into this fairy tale. Now, let's discuss each of these systems very briefly. Number one is trading bot or trading robot. So you buy this amazing software for a reasonable price. Generally it's about $100 or less or a bit more. And then you set up, it's very easy to set up, and then all this amazing software gonna do all the heavy lifting for you. It's gonna trade for you, it's gonna open and close the trade, so you don't really need to do much work because the software does all the heavy lifting for you. So you can just go to the beach, relax, have some cocktails, and also I forgot to mention that you're gonna have your own yacht and a helicopter. I'm trying to be as cynical as possible because this is crap. This is crap. And number two is high win rate strategies that never lose. Well, almost never lose. Is it not amazing taking 50 trades and having no losses? Just take a trade and at the end of the day you come and bank your profits. This is easy as that. Do I mean to have a look at the charts? And number three is easy step-by-step formula that only needs 30 minutes a day of your time every day to make thousands of dollars a day, and eventually you become a trillionaire. This is normally consists of 3-step process that anyone can do it. So one of the examples of such an easy step process would be moving average crossovers. So when the short-term moving average crosses the longer-term moving average, if they cross up, that means you buy, and if they cross down, that means you sell. But there's a problem. When that happens, the trend is, most of the times it's already finished, so you already kind of missed out. All these three I mentioned before are nothing but rubbish. Only people who profit from this are the marketers who try to sell you these systems. It's easy to buy into the pleasant lies than accept the raw truth. Don't believe me? Let's have a look at these statistics. 90% of the traders lose money when trading. If you go to any brokerage account of their website, you can see that the number range is about the same. It generally varies from 75% to 90%. If you're making money, that means someone else is losing on the other side. It does not happen where everyone makes money in the markets. And if you're using something simple as that, just moving average crossovers, then you will not survive in financial markets. Now, back to the million-dollar question. This is the strategy that works specifically for you. So how do we find that kind of strategy? This is something you have to put the effort to make. If the strategy belongs to someone else, you then need to redesign it that the strategy fits your personality. Why? Because what works for me might not work for you. I like taking trades with a high risk-reward potential, and my strategy is designed around that, which accounts of having more losing trades, but at the end I make more money. However, you might not be okay having more losing trades and you want to have more winners, which means that you have to reduce your risk-reward potential. But that's fine. If that suits for you, that is fine. That's why it's important to choose the strategy and redesign it that fits your personality. When you design your strategy that works for you, make sure it has these key elements incorporated into it: risk-reward ratio, stop loss, entries and exits, and position sizing. These are some of the elements you need to include in your strategy. And more importantly, you have to master trading psychology in order for you to be successful in financial markets. No matter how good or how amazing your strategy is, you will not make money if you're not gonna master trader mindset. That's period. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a like, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm making daily and weekly Forex analyses as well as videos about the knowledge you need to be a better trader. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.